Hi, good morning. It's day 2 for Vlogmas campaign. I got some stuff which I ordered over a week back. Just received. Going to open them. I just received these products. I'm so excited because I was waiting for like a month for this thing. Be careful with my address to be visible. Oh, this is that. These are the pillowcases. God, finally my Christmas theme would be in my room. It's a Vlogmas day 2, guys. I got my mom's scissor. This is my brother ka that wire stuff he ordered. It's so tricky to open these things. It's here. This is the mug which I ordered for my Christmas. It has that cute detail. Is this? I'm like super excited for this guy for sure. Like, I just finished cleaning my room. Like, VLOGMAS day 1. So cool. I'm editing the first vlog. So I already had created the intro and outro for a really long time. Now I have to go through all the videos I have. Like, there like so many video clips, and then from that I am going to select the best one and make one day in that. I'm learning. I'm not new and great in this. I'm doing YouTube since 1.5 years now. So let me finish this thing. It will take another 2 to 3 hours because I'm new, so it takes time for me. And then I'll be done. It's almost 2:25 now. I'm going to change my display picture because it would be easier for seeing time then. 6:20 now. I just got time. I just finished my work and all. It's 6:30 for the puja, so I try to finish early everything, and it's almost done. My day is almost done. I was planning to go for a movie, but I don't know if my sister is free or busy. If my sister is free or busy or something like that. I wanted to show you where did I place the hanging. It's a Christmas thing wala. I placed it over there nearby the curtains. There was something which I wanted to cover it, so I placed it here. I was thinking to place somewhere here where I'm going to place my Christmas tree later, and I kept the mug here next to me. This is so beautiful. I just love it. It's loading 2022, like 2022. Like, those who people understand 22, yeah. It's my lucky number, so yes. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I don't have much thing to be shared today. I wanted to show you my room tour, but I'll show you tomorrow about a little bit why I have this in my room. I'm a person who keep changing things in my room. If you have been following me from a long time, you might have seen the direction and everything in my room has changed. and I know it will change more because if I don't travel, I change things in my house. This is my room, not in my house. I wish to do it in my house, but yeah, that's it. I'll go for puja. I'll see you guys. Like,
Anaya, wo kaun sa tha wo?
so she's like a VIP guest in my videos.
No.
If you have seen yesterday's video, she was like
Dancing.
the charm of the video. She didn't dance in the video yet. Hopefully, in coming week, she will dance.
Going for dance class?
We are going for a movie. We just booked the movie House of Gucci. I'm very excited for House of Gucci. Like, I'll wear some basic outfit, nothing like hyping, like nothing like too much glam wala. For the movie theater, I prefer like basics. Like that makes sense to me. Do you think the same way? Like not
Comfort.
too comfort, yeah. Like sweatshirt if you feel
You have
cold.
to sit for 2 hours. No?
Yeah, that movie is not that long. I think so.
2 hours, 37 minutes.
What? That's. Oh god, it's 8 o'clock. We'll leave by 9:15. I think so. I'm thinking to change my nail color next week. Didn't grow much, but looks nice though. I'm not willing to eat any masala food. Guess what I got? Like guess what I got? Ta-ta-da! Matcha! It's amazing. I just remember from matcha I have to call my friend for regarding some work. I'll see you in a bit. I am super late for movie. It's 10 o'clock ka movie and it's 9:30. I'll be running now. I'm so excited. House of Gucci. So I'm going for a movie. I changed my outfit. I'm wearing this basic red with jeggings, which is very comfortable for the movie theater. Like I want to be comfortable. I'm not putting anything. I just applied some moisturizer, filled up the eyebrows. Now I'm going to put some lip gloss or some lip shine because there is no point of lipstick because it's too late. There is no picture time. That's it, guys. I'll see you once I'm coming back. The movie was amazing. I was House of Gucci. I was not knowing a lot of stuff about the movie, but yes, like there were a lot of history behind how the Gucci has become like the different investment wala group people apart from the real Gucci people in that. It was quite interesting. I love Lady Gaga in that. I am like only for the Lady Gaga, I think so. That's why I went for this movie. Yeah, but still the House of Gucci is a name, so that is even a thing. It's 1 o'clock. I want to go home and sleep. So I thought to finish the vlog here. I'm in Navi Mumbai, as if you know I live here. So this is the place. It's so beautiful, right? I just want to finish it here and say good night to you guys. Good night. I just want to say good night and I want to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, do share, subscribe and comment. And bye. Good night.